Around the table we all gather, laughter floating like a feather. Johnny cracks a joke so clever, feels like it could last forever. Rachel's giggle starts to spread, funny words fill up our heads. Tears of joy, we're seeing red. Can't stop laughing, can't go to bed. Laughing out loud, can't hold it in. Crazy jokes that make us spin. Holding our sides, we begin again. Roll on the floor and it's a win. Every line a golden gift. Moods so high they start to lift. Each punchline a sudden shift. Our worries, they just drift. One joke sparks another fire.